Hello, and welcome to my video for the integrals of tangent and cotangent. This needs to follow having learned about the integrals that result in natural log functions. And so as you're starting, please remember that the integral of du over u is equal to ln of the absolute value of u plus c. And so if we keep that in mind, if we want to find the integral of tangent of x dx, first thing we'll do is change this to the integral of sine of x over cosine of x, because tangent is equal to sine over cosine dx. And then keeping in mind that we want this in the form of du over u, if we let u equal cosine of x, then du would be negative sine of x dx, where we're taking the differential of both sides. So this is almost the right form already to be in the form of du over u. The top is almost du. If we just change that to a negative sign by inserting a negative inside, and then we'll put a negative on the outside to make up for that. So if we redistribute, we're back to where we came from. Notice the top is now actually du. So that part is du. Well, the bottom is u. So we're in the form of du over u. Go back to the other color here. We can then take the opposite of the integral of du over u, which we know is going to be the opposite from here, ln of absolute value of u plus c. And of course, the u is equal to cosine of x. This ends up being negative ln of the absolute value of cosine of x plus c. All right, and that's the rule that you need to have memorized, that the integral of tangent of x dx is equal to negative ln of cosine of x plus c. And of course, if we have a u in there, it would be the same thing, just being able to use u substitution for it. All right, let's move on to the next one. Our next integral would be the integral of cotangent of x. Now this follows almost the exact same pattern. We'll let u equal, actually first thing we'll do is change this to cosine of x over sine of x. Almost skipped a step there. And in that case, u would be equal to the denominator, sine of x. Du, derivative of sine of x, is cosine of x. So this is cosine of x dx, taking the differential of both sides. And so we can substitute in. You see that the top is du, the bottom is u. So we can go right to the answer this time. This is natural log of the absolute value of u, where u is sine of x, plus c. I'm not sure I remember to put the plus c on the last part of the video. If not, make sure to go back and add that in there if you were taking notes. All right, well, that's a quick little derivation for the integrals of tangent and cotangent. Thanks for listening, and catch my next video.